Welcome to Barbering School of Learning, Lametto. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to get to more viewers. How to barb fade, layers haircut for beginner. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lecturer Lametto and we're back with another tutorial today. I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. Stay tuned. So for our first guideline we're going to use no guard, lever completely closed, and we're going to start an inch above the ear. I'm not going too hard with the line so it will be easy for me to check out the line at the end of the fade. You might be wondering on how I got the hair neatly trimmed. The lever is completely closed, and with that I'm able to achieve the bold line. You can repeat the process until it looks satisfying. Make sure you gently fold down the ear in order to bold out the hair behind the ear. You will replicate all these steps to the other side. Now we are done with the bold line on both sides. Next step, with lever open, clean off the bold line down. With lever open, clean off the bold line up an inch. With lever open, blend the hair nicely until it appears appealing. Don't forget we are still on lever open. With number 1 guide lever closed, I will trim the hair. With lever open, trim down the hair to remove grains on top. With lever open, trim down the back until it equal with the side. With lever closed, clean off the bold line up an inch until it well blended. With lever slightly open, clean off the second guideline. Effort is paid off it, now blended. With lever completely open, you can do a freehand trim. To finish off the haircut, I'm doing a freehand trim so that the hair will be laid down nicely. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the haircut, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and share the video to friends and family. You know, two heads are better than one. Peace.